In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to edit the navigation section inside of your Shopify store. We are going to be learning how to add new menu items, how to create a drop-down menu, how to edit the links inside of these menu items, and all that other good stuff. Before getting started, make sure that you like, subscribe, and turn on your bell notifications. First of all, we need to head over into the Shopify dashboard and then go to content. From there, we'll click on menus. Now, the menu that you see here is actually the main menu. So we'll come back and we'll click on main menu. And here you'll be able to see the 3 menu items that have already been added inside the home page. If I want to add a new menu item, I will simply click on add menu item and I will give it a label. In the label, I'm going to be typing in about us. And now you have to link this menu item into the about us page. For that, I'm going to be selecting it, going into pages, and then I'm going to be selecting the about us page. Click on tick and then save this. And here you'll be able to see that about us has been added. Now let me come back into the menus section. Let's say you want to create a new menu. So for example, you have your footer and you want to create a menu that will showcase like all your website's policies, like let's say the terms of service, the refund policy, the shipping. So how will you create a new menu from scratch? So for that, you can just come back here, click on create menu, and then you can name your menu. I will name this policies. Then I will click on add menu item. Now, since we are adding all the policies inside of here, I will go to link and scroll down, click on policies. I'll add the privacy policy. Take this, do the same thing again, add the refund policy. And lastly, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add the terms of service. Let's say I want to arrange the terms of service before everything. I can drag this here and it will be shown first. So let me go ahead and save that. Now I want this menu to be reflected on the footer. For that, I can come back, click on online store, and I'll open up the theme customizer. I'll go to footer, click on this little arrow. Instead of menu, I will select this menu and replace this with the policies menu. Okay, so as you can see, the policies menu is reflecting here. Okay, so that was a quick tutorial on how you can set up navigation inside of Shopify. If you found this video to be helpful, then make sure that you like, subscribe, and turn on your bell notifications. Thank you so much for tuning in. Have a wonderful day.